When home office was introduced in our lives, we were always in denial, thinking this would come to an end soon. Come few months later, we realized that work from home was here to last longer, which is why we got a table and an office chair. Even then, the space seemed incomplete. It was merely two pieces of furniture, but nothing more. Finally, I realized that it was important to give due respect to this corner of the room. Accepting the fact that home office was our fate for the coming months, I decided to make this space my own by decorating it with things more than just a table and chair. I got this beautiful looking shelf from Costway, and I was totally impressed with their on-time delivery. Costway has a lot of brilliant and affordable options for all things home and garden. Office furniture, kitchen islands, decorative items, office supplies and so much more. The ladder shelf came with detailed instructions for assembly, and in no time I had it ready for this new space. The shelf has a wonderful finish that sits beautifully against the wall. I bought a black one this time to complement the table. Check out the link in the description box for this particular shelf. There's a promotion going on and the coupon code for it is also mentioned in the description box.
Absolutely flawless in every way. That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe. I wish I could stay right here and never leave.
Until a few months ago, this corner seemed barren, but now it seems like a happy spot. A spot where my SO spends 8 hours a day, and I wait right at the doorstep just to find out if the camera is off and quickly run across to fetch things from behind. After having spent months like this, both of us have built a new world around this new change. This was a change that nobody knew would be coming, and it was only acceptance that turned the change into a norm for us. days are a lot more exciting as the winds are less chilly. People have started to come out almost as if everyone was in hibernation all this while. Winters plus the pandemic made it nothing less than hibernation. This new season is bringing in a lot of new events and get-togethers. This evening was wonderfully spent with our friends. We gobbled up momos for the rest of the night.
What's on your mind? I see that you are struggling. Why wasting time to try to fix this on your own? You said you'd be alright. Around the corner is another day. Although I know that's a lie, I'm waiting for you to give it up.
I had propagated some plants a while back. Only in a few days, this one has taken hold of the soil. Seems to be standing upright and is thriving. Of course, some of the leaves are not so happy in this new pot. Does this mean that the ones that were open to change were the ones that actually survived?
You got this humble heart and sweet like cherry pie. But you build up this wall. I try to climb but I keep falling down.
The weather has changed from being cloudy and dark to clear blue and bright in a matter of days. Only a few days ago, the ground seemed to be covered with snow, and now it's so different. It's very rightly said, nature never stops for anything, and clearly change is the only constant. Had it not been for the winters, I don't think we would have cherished this sunlight and the new season so much as we do now. We found our own little ways of welcoming and enjoying this fresh sunlight.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh.
Having the same old coffee every day was getting boring and monotonous. Repetition is never fun. This was a small yet fun way to make the everyday coffee routine feel new.
I'm yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you.
If there are things in your life that are bothering you, then consider this fact. Have you really accepted that change with an open mind?
To make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know.